All right, drink we're about to make is called Tequila Furnace. We're about to heat this thing up. All right, drop 5 to 10 drops of Tabasco into your shot glass. We're going to do 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to fill it up with tequila. Just pour it on in. Oh, hey. Now we've got our shot, and you're going to want to make sure that you take this the proper way. I've got some salt and a lime. Go ahead and lick your hand and put some salt on there. And do it like this. Lick your hand, take down your shot, and suck on your lime. Bottoms up.